Everybody, I'm Mrs. Farzana Jabina. Joined this esteemed institution in the year 2008. I'm working as a coordinator for the high school block and HOD for the chemistry department. Since then, we have seen school flourishing many years and the students coming up with the flying colors. I'm proud to be part of this institution. Thank you.
I, the director of the esteemed institution Aryan Presidency School, would like to convey. Here we impart holistic education. We build confidence in our students to take part in curricular and co-curricular activities. We are one of the best schools in the vicinity. Thank you.
Hi everyone. This is Gulzar Begum from Aryan Presidency School, Nagarbhavi. Working here for the past 2 decades. Ours is a CIC board affiliated school. Our school code is KA266. We make the children in the all-round development, maybe curricular or co-curricular activities. Our students are found around the world in different professions. My sincere thanks to the parents for the faith and trust they have in us. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
This institution in this surrounding area. I am proud to work in this institution from past 18 years and continue the same. The main aim of our Aryan Presidency School is to strive, to seek, to find and not to yield. Thank you.
I'm proud to say that Aryan Presidency School's foundation was laid by our chairman, sir, 20 years back. And since then, Aryan Presidency School is one of the best schools in Nagarbhavi, Bangalore. We are an ICSE school affiliated to the CISE board, New Delhi. Our students are achieving great success after they pass out from our schools. We have well-educated teachers who lovingly and caringly help the student achieve their true potential. Lot of sports activities and extracurricular activities like volleyball, throwball, badminton, basketball, etc. We also encourage them to join classes like Vedic Maths, Abacus, and Bhagavad Gita, which we have in our school. We have our timely parent-teachers meeting organized every quarterly. This helps for us to gauge the child's progress and have open communication with the parent. We are not here to just make champions for today, tomorrow. We are here to create champions for life. Aryan Presidency School students are champions for life. We have received many awards and accolades this year. We organize international trips. Children learn through travel. Thank you parents for trusting your children with us. We are going to take care of them and make them successful in life. Dear parents, please visit our school and see our infrastructure and meet with our teachers. I'm sure you'll get the confidence to admit your children here for the next academic year. You're most welcome to visit our school anytime. We are here at 2nd Stage Nagarbhavi. Our phone numbers are available, or you can check us up on the website. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind.
Proud to be Aryan